The kidney disease solution is a proven natural program for reversing kidney disease and living a normal healthy life that you fully enjoy. Anyone who uses this program and has been diagnosed with kidney disease can reverse their condition quickly and easily, as well as keep kidney disease away for good. Based on over 35 years of combined experience as qualified naturopaths, Duncan Capicchiano N.D. and Fiona Chin N.D. have created a fully digital program that is specifically built for anyone to be able to implement on their own and find success. Drawing on intensive research of holistic medicine and kidney disease studies from the last 5 to 10 years, the kidney disease solution creates the entire foundational treatment plan, including diet, exercise, lifestyle, and mind-body techniques that are proven to reverse kidney disease or to stop anyone from getting diagnosed. Duncan and Fiona discovered the powerful foundation of the kidney disease solution when they saw that Fiona's beloved Nana 73 and with stage 4 kidney disease, completely turned her life around without dialysis or a transplant. The secrets to Nana's health transformation have gone on to help over 25,000 kidney disease sufferers get rid of it forever. Now the entire wellness plan, once only available at Duncan and Fiona's premier clinic in Australia, is available as a fully digital book. This life-changing resource is broken down into several key parts. Kidney disease education. This resource answers every major question about kidney disease, using the latest in scientific research to do so. Also, learn how to detect your kidney function and look for kidney failure symptoms before a doctor's visit. Western vs. the natural way. Learn why the Western treatment model fails to offer a proven reversal to kidney disease, and why a fully natural solution not only works but has been proven again and again, with many great case studies included in the program. The alkaline diet. Having the right nutrients is key to restoring kidney health, so the kidney disease solution explains the science behind the alkaline diet and breaks down each nutrient and mineral type so you know how to diet your way back to full health. Holistic lifestyle solution. This program deals with the whole self, meaning that you will learn how everything from lack of sunlight to certain over-the-counter drugs to feelings of chronic stress or sadness is actually keeping your body from fully restoring and healing itself. This is a key complement to the alkaline diet, and the program comes with a powerful mind and body exercises that anyone can do, no matter your age. With these foundational pieces in place, plus bonus sections covering diabetes, hypertension, kidney stones, juicing, relaxation, and more, Duncan and Fiona put the power, knowledge, and resources directly into each reader's hands. Plus, the kidney disease solution is optimized to be easy to read, comprehensive, and to guide step by step through the kidney disease reversal process. Thousands are using the kidney disease solution to change their lives, take back their kidney health, and find freedom in their future. Discover the kidney disease solution for yourself. You can click the link at the description box below.